Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Live on the farm. Here we are. There's the final product. As it drips right next to it, whatever reel here. And as I have a messy little tray situation going there. Don't worry about all them things. This is what's important. Look at it, the drip is even, looks super healthy. Boom, wheatgrass for the customer is going out there. Come with me. So we're open now. We opened yesterday. It was a busy day. But I want to make this one as a separate video. Sealed, signed, sealed, and delivered soon. We write, oh dang, I need something for my hand right now. We write, oh jeez, you're not gonna be able to see this. I can't do this with you. Hold on, guys. It says wheatgrass. We are going to write liquid. Oh geez, it's hard. I'm writing on a cylinder. You can still see it. It's there. Hold on. Can you still see it? You can still see it. It says wheatgrass, and we are Happy Fields as a still, so I always do my smiley face. Boom, for the customer. It was kind of a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie, to describe that whole tray. The whole tray was that. So if I do it a little denser, I can get it about half a tray, I learned. This was one of my lighter ones. So come with me. We're going to check out the fridge. And hopefully the customer's not there. I checked before I started this and the customer wasn't there. So we've had one or two customers so far. And nice, okay, the customer's not there. I'm gonna have to start the video over, so I don't want to be on. So we're delivering some super healths to the customers, guys. Come with me. Boom. Table's up. Ready to go. Let me take a step back. I did my walk before I had 100 subscribers. Bless you guys. I got 100 subscribers. I think it's pretty cool to say. We're gonna put that right in there. We got broccoli microgreens, shiitakes. The daughter helped writing on them, so I wrote that the daughter helped. Blue oysters and the dried mushrooms. Here's the big thing of the year, guys. Here's the news, guys. All right, here it is. So this is what I wrote to the neighbors, beautiful neighbors. We are blessed. Everything here is free today. Everything here today is free. Limit of 4 items to ensure your neighbor is blessed as well. Let love and light guide us. Donations are encouraged if you have the desire and the means, but not necessary. Enjoy. A little drop box in case they want to donate. So we did have one person come and they took 4 items. There's 5 items gone, so unless they took 5 items, but there was $12 on it as a donation. So that was really nice of them. Yeah, but one plant was gone. This was up here, so there was 1 plant gone. Or there was 2 plants gone. I don't know, maybe someone took, I don't know, I don't really pay attention. But, and maybe it was 2 people and they each took 1 mushroom because there's 2 mushrooms were gone, 1 microgreen gone, and then someone did take the liquid health. As I'm up here and pointing down here, sorry. Boom, the liquid health was gone this morning. Someone took it. And life said that it was maybe, I don't know why I'm running back there. Maybe it was an older lady. Got the nice wheatgrass shot today. So that's it, guys. That's it. It's free. We're gonna see. We're gonna do this for now. I would like to say this is future move too, that this will always be, but I can't guarantee it. Right now we're in the mode that we want to do for the moment. I live in the moment. I'm not a future guy kind of guy, but it's a very heartfelt move to think that high quality food should be free to our neighbors. So we're blessed. Everyone's blessed. Sometimes we just got to get our own way, and you know, we got systems built that are weirdly need to change, and somehow you've got to think outside that box to change them. So yeah, God and I had this plan. Sorry if you don't do the God thing, but it is what it is. I do. So we're blessed to try to get 25,000 of these and let this thing rock. So feel if you want to like and subscribe, we'd love it. Blessed, and we'd love to have you. We're really trying to grow this thing. I would love to have free food. If I get 100,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers, I guarantee free food for my neighbors. I'll guarantee it right now. 200,000 subscribers, my neighbors will have free food year long in this thing, and free whatever. So we're getting plants. These are free and cheap. It's all labor, minimal costs, very minimal, and we're making our money back at the grocery stores. So that's the key. People are always going to go to the grocery stores. They can buy their chips and their other stuffs, but we got healthy foods here, and yeah, zero chemicals ever hit the property. If you're with me, Happy Fields Organic Family Farm, looking to change it to Happy Fields Health Farm, or we might even become New Earth Foods pretty soon. So that's it. We're gonna have a lot more stuff rocking too. I got 2,000 lettuces brewing, 500 tomatoes. I just did 5 beds of spinach, radishes, better radishes. I'm gonna do more spinach tonight. So this is the start. We just started. We're a month earlier than normal. So we're super blessed, super nice to be filming this for a change. So yeah, I've been doing this for a little bit, but this is obviously the biggest move. The biggest move we ever did is to say, you know what, it should be free. Everyone should be having free food. So we're in the right position to do it, and why not? This is a heart in my heart says do it. So bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Love you. It's been a fun ride. 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers dance. The neighbors driving by, seeing me shake my booty. I was shaking the camera in the booty. Okay, guys. Blessings. See you soon. Take care.